Here is an amazing opportunity to join MOD's next entrepreneurship training program. In rural India, where nature and tradition thrive, entrepreneurship is lighting the path to a stronger future. Meet the hands of a woman entrepreneur who not only cultivates the land but also mentors others to build sustainable businesses. We connect young minds with real world experiences. Through our training, college students explore agroforestry and entrepreneurship as a meaningful career paths. Knowledge grows when shared. Our program brings together farmers, experts, and entrepreneurs to exchange ideas, solve challenges, and create innovative business solutions. The future belongs to those who take action. Our structured training equips youth with financial literacy, business planning, and hands on experience to turn ideas into reality. Entrepreneurship is more than just farming, it's about creating opportunities. Through mentorship and skill development, rural youth gain the confidence to start and grow their own businesses. Learning happens in the field. Our participants visit successful enterprises like agroforestry farms and food processing units to see how value addition boosts income. Business success is built on creativity and resilience. Our training helps entrepreneurs develop innovative solutions, navigate challenges, and build sustainable enterprises. In just 2 years, our agroforestry trainees have transformed their land into thriving businesses. Now it's your turn to learn and grow. Agroforestry is not just about crops, it's about creating multiple income streams. Our program teaches financial planning, digital marketing, and market access strategies to ensure long term success. Great entrepreneurs never stop learning. We help you discover fresh ideas, connect with mentors, and explore new business opportunities. Success grows through collaboration. Our program fosters a strong network where entrepreneurs support each other, share experiences, and grow together. Are you ready to take the next step? Join MODE's entrepreneurship training and become part of a movement that is transforming rural livelihoods. Apply now and start your journey toward financial independence and sustainable business success.